Hey guys! Dr. Mike here, teaming up with Gavin Royal from Nourish, your go-to source for all things health and wellness. Today, we're diving into the incredible world of gut health with a focus on prebiotics. Prebiotics are like the unsung heroes of the digestive system, essentially the food that helps good bacteria in your gut thrive. Let's jump right in. First up, we have chicory root, a powerhouse for gut health. It's often used as a coffee substitute, giving your morning cup a naturally sweet and earthy flavor. Chicory root is high in inulin, a type of prebiotic fiber that acts like a fertilizer for beneficial gut bacteria. A healthy and diverse gut microbiome is crucial for digestion, nutrient absorption, immune system regulation, and even mental health. Your gut and brain are in constant communication, often referred to as the gut-brain axis. By incorporating chicory root into your diet, you're supporting your digestive health and potentially boosting your mood and cognitive function. Next up is garlic. This pungent bulb is not only a flavor enhancer but also a potent prebiotic. It contains fructooligosaccharides, FOS, which act as food for good gut bacteria like bifidobacteria. Bifidobacteria help break down complex carbohydrates, produce essential vitamins, and regulate bowel movements. Studies show garlic can boost the immune system, reduce inflammation, and have protective effects against certain cancers. So, be generous with the garlic. Your gut will thank you. Onions, like garlic, are packed with prebiotic goodness. They contain fructans, beneficial for promoting the growth of bifidobacteria and lactobacilli in the gut. Onions can cause gas and bloating for some, but it's all about balance. Start with small amounts and gradually increase your intake. Cooking onions can make them easier to digest. Beyond prebiotics, onions are rich in antioxidants, protecting your cells from damage. They've been linked to a lower risk of heart disease and certain cancers. Let's talk about bananas, the ultimate portable prebiotic snack. They're delicious, convenient, and packed with nutrients that support a healthy gut. Bananas are a good source of resistant starch and inulin, two types of prebiotic fibers. Resistant starch resists digestion in the small intestine and promotes the growth of good bacteria in the large intestine. Bananas are also a good source of potassium, crucial for muscle function, nerve transmission, and fluid balance. Enjoy a banana as a quick breakfast, pre-workout snack, or sweet treat for a healthy dose of prebiotics and essential nutrients. Asparagus is another fantastic prebiotic food. It's a good source of inulin, promoting the growth and activity of beneficial gut bacteria. This helps create a balanced gut microbiome, essential for digestion, nutrient absorption, and immune function. Asparagus is also rich in vitamins K and C, folate, and antioxidants. One tip: cook it lightly to retain its nutrients and delicate flavor. Steaming or grilling asparagus is a great way to enjoy its benefits. Add asparagus to your diet for a nutrient-dense, gut-healthy option. Let's talk about oats, a breakfast staple that can do wonders for your gut health. Oats are a great source of beta-glucan, a type of soluble fiber with significant prebiotic effects. Beta-glucan acts as food for beneficial gut bacteria, promoting their growth and activity. Oats are also a good source of protein, fiber, and essential vitamins and minerals. Enjoy oats as a warm bowl of oatmeal, overnight oats, or in baked goods for a nutritious and satisfying breakfast. Give your gut a healthy dose of prebiotics along with other essential nutrients. So there you have it, 6 amazing prebiotic foods to support your gut health and feel your best. Remember, a healthy gut is a happy gut. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more gut healthy tips. Thanks for watching. Take care of your gut, and it will take care of you. Subscribe to Nourish for more tips on living your healthiest life.